The equivalent of I already in the Tswana language is ke, se, tse, ke. So if you want to say I already did this and that, you would use the phrase ke, se, tse, ke in front of the verb. In English, you might put the already at the end of the sentence. I did this already. The phrase ke setse ke covers that as well. So both phrases can be translated as ke setse ke. Let us look at the following examples. Ke se tse ke si mo lo te. I started already, or I have already started. Ke se tse ke a mo ge se. I have already accepted, or I accepted already. Ke se tse ke a gile. I have already built. Ke se tse ke utlwile. I have already had. Ke se tse ke tswetse. I have already closed, or I closed already. Ke se tse ke duetse. I have already paid. Ke se tse ke rapetse. I have already prayed. Ke se tse ke bone. I have already seen. Ke se tse ke ithutile. I have already learned.